How to remove iOS 18 developer beta from iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can remove iOS 18 developer beta from iPhone. So let's get started. First things first, make sure that you have strong internet connection, and after you do that, open up your settings. Now on your settings, what you'll need to do is go to your general. Now on general, you will see software update. Tap on it. Now here you will see something like this, beta updates. Now just tap on beta updates and turn it off. After you turn it off, what you can do is go back to your settings, go to your general again, and here you'll need to scroll down. Now after you scroll down for a bit, you will see VPN and device management. Tap on it, and right there you will see something like this. So here, instead of enterprise apps, you will see configuration in profile, and there you will see your iOS 18 option. Just tap on it, and after you tap on it, just remove your iOS 18 beta from here and you're good to go. So this is how you remove iOS 18 beta from iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Don't forget to hit the like button down below and stay tuned for more.